Just had another stag turn up. Another stag. I actually saw him coming out of the bush up there. Where he came out was my pick of the spots of where a deer was going to walk out. So it's good to see there is a game trail over there. That's the spot from position number 1 straight across into the fern. He's just walking across the clearing over there. He's standing out in the middle of the field, looking around, listening. He's my indicator to tell me when there's other stags coming out. So he's probably gonna know another animal is coming. He's probably gonna know another stag's on his way before I do. So I'll just keep watching him and see what he does. What's that over there? Oh, yep. Another stag's coming out right now. Bigger stags just walked out, guys. Older stags come out. I might shoot him. He's a nice old stag. Come here, boy. Good boy, here, good boy. Oh, guys, I don't know if you can see me. That's a nice old stag, that one. Oh, shit. Oh, the problem is we're getting really low on light. I don't even know if you guys can see me right now. Okay, good morning, guys. Now, last night, so I'll quickly fill you in. I didn't end up approaching that stag last night. Basically ran out of darkness, basically ran out of daylight, and I had a 2-hour trek back to camp with a pretty gnarly river crossing at the end of it that I was, to be honest, I was a little bit nervous about doing in the dark. So the stag took off out of sight, but I hit him pretty good. I actually shot him twice. First shot was the money shot, and then second shot, just before he disappeared, I got another one into him. So I'm positive he's down. I'm positive I know where he is. And the safest thing to do is to come back today. So it's a nice morning. And yeah, I've just done a 2-hour trek to get back up into the basin. So what we'll do is this is our little sniper position, this patch of trees here. We'll get into there and I might drop some gear there and then we'll assess what we're going to do next. But I'm going to put the drone up and I'm going to set the drone to follow me, so you guys are going to see it from a bird's eye view. You'll probably see the stag before me and Boise get on him, so it's going to be quite cool. So yeah, I haven't been there yet, I haven't seen the stag up close, So emotions are going to be pretty realistic, man. All right, let's get into it. Okay, right, here's our posse. I left the tripod here last night, so I didn't have to cart that in. That's 7 kilos worth of weight I didn't want to have to cart in today. Now, last time I saw the stag was right at that tree there, and he dived down into it. So, pretty sure he's right there, boys. Yeah, what we might do is we'll just go out onto the grass below, or maybe the river, put the drone up, and then yeah, we'll get over there. Yeah, let's go, hey boy, let's go find him. Come on. It's exciting, guys. Look how nice that looks. Can you get much more clearer water? I'd imagine there's a few big trout hiding up here. Okay. Boy. Go boy, eh? I'm pretty excited. Okay. Get that drone up. Can you smell him, boy? Hey? Is he, boy? Legs on a scent. Oh yes, boy! Legs on him. He's sitting next to him. He's dead as a doornail. That's good. Oh yes, man! Let's go over there, eh? Good boy, Nigsy boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, man, I'm stoked. Oh, good boy, Nigsy boy. Good boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. You found him, eh? You found him, eh, boy? Good boy. Hey, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. When I'm approaching a stag, I never like to be too careless. I've seen a few things over the years with the guiding. So the stag's obviously dead, but I'll just show you what I do. So I'll approach it. If it's lying down, I always approach it from the back. Have the rifle ready, because I have seen them jump up. Now the first thing that people mainly do is they'll always come in from the antlers first. If that stag gets up, he's coming straight at you normally, so I always come in from this angle here with the rifle ready, just to be safe, boys and girls. But obviously the stag's dead. 2 shots into him last night. The first shot was a money shot anyway, so the second shot was just for insurance. Another stag has been hoeing into him by the looks overnight. He's got a few holes in him. Tufts of hair, so another stag's decided he wanted to beat him up. Oh man, I'm so freaking stoked. So stoked, man. All right, I'll get him set up and we'll get a photo. Come here, come here, go around, go around, go around. Good boy. What do you reckon, boy? Hey, you guys, I'm so happy to bring you guys along in these sort of missions. Whether you can do it yourself or you don't have the means to get out here, I want to make it feel like you guys are here with me. So expect to see a lot more of that sort of stuff on this YouTube channel. Lost for words, guys. It's funny though, eh? Like that other stag I was using as an indicator, he was looking real jumpy, and something was making him super nervous, eh? And then this guy just walked out. He must have known he was coming. As soon as this guy came out onto the clearing, that young stag took off. I think I got it on video, him running out of here. Awesome stag, 9-pointer, scarred up, like see in between his antlers there, he's got bugger all hair left. He's got holes all through his forehead from fighting and stuff. Anyone out there that knows me will know how much of a big deal this is, me shooting a stag. I think the last stag I shot for myself was in 2010, so that's, yeah, 10 years ago. Since then I've guided hundreds of stags, never shot one for myself. This is pretty special, and to do it with my old dog Nigsy boy. Hey boy, what do you have to say, boy? Come here. What do you have to say? Hey, yeah, good boy. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was freaking cool experience. Such an epic part of the country. Like I always say, enjoy New Zealand. Chuck on a pack, go on a mission somewhere, pick a spot on a map and go there. The hunting season is basically finished, the guiding stuff, until the borders reopen. So yeah, expect to see a lot of these type of hunts on the YouTube channel coming up. Expeditions. I'll be going into some remote places just like this. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. If you want to see more of the camping side, more of the gear side, I'm real keen to bring you guys along on these sort of adventures. Anyway, we better do something useful. Now for you guys that remember, we made a deal, didn't we, boy? Hey boy? I said I'd give him some back steaks if we get one, so he's gonna love this. Here you go, boy. You earned it. Let's get loaded up and get out of here before it gets too late.